Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is the last look I'm doing for the emoji series. Yeah. This eyelash is already kind of falling off, so I'm just gonna take that off. And I can't just have one eyelash on, so I'll just take the other one off too. Now the hearts. Bloody. Okay, wait. Ah, nice. Let's do this one here. And now this big boy. I made this one too big, so it started folding. But it's gotta go. Contacts are out. I'm pretty much clean. My neck is slightly stained, but it's fine. And y'all have an amazing day today. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look. Like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done. Let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I like take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. Ah! This.
Take off my makeup with me, Scary Pumpkin Edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these drips out of latex. Oh. Ah. Ow. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. Yeah, I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Ah, snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, Darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I wanna like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.